Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you and your loved ones are fine during this lockdown and all of you are keeping safe. As we are practicing social distancing, this time I came up with this simple tutorial for everyday look. I have used minimal base in this makeup look and shared tricks to conceal dark circles. So let's get started. I have already moisturized my face using Neutrogena Gel Moisturizer, and for my primer I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. After applying my primer, I am using this NYX Full Coverage Concealer in color Golden Dore, and I am applying it on my dark circles before I start with any base. I am also applying it near my nose and lips to make my skin even. And next I will use All Set to Go translucent powder from Sugar, just a little bit to set my concealer. To have a natural look all day long, I am using this Sugar Goddess of Flawless SPF 30+ BB cream in color 02 Macchiato Medium. I am applying it as dots on my skin, and I am using a beauty blender to puff it on my skin. And I'm not using any brush because I don't want to mess up the concealer which I used beneath. To highlight, I'm using this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age The Eraser Eye Perfect and Cover Concealer. This is my favorite one because it is very lightweight and it blends so smoothly on your skin. And next I'm using this Lancome powder Dore finish in color 360 Honey 3 just to tap on my face. Using this large blending brush, I'm also applying this powder on my eyelids. And for my brows, I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in color Brunette. I'm just going to cover the bald spots using this pencil. And next I'm going to use this gel Benefit Gimme Brow Plus in color 4.5 just to set my eyebrows. For my eye makeup, I will start with Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal, and I am going to apply it on my waterline below and above. For my eyeshadow, I am using Maybelline New York The City Kids Pink Edge Eye Plus Cheek Palette. And I am applying this shimmery pink color on my eyelids. I applied it first using a flat brush on my eyelid, and using this blending brush, I am going to blend it into my crease. I am going to use this same shade also below my waterline using a pencil brush. To give some volume to my kajal, I am going to use this black eyeshadow from the same palette, and I am going to use it to smudge my kajal below the waterline. For my eyeliner, I'm using Inglot Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it using Precise Brush from Morphe. I don't want to go very dramatic with this look, so I will just apply a thin line. And for my lashes, I'm using this Benefit Bad Girl Bank mascara and I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using the same eyeshadow palette and I'm choosing this white golden color to apply using a small pencil brush. This is my another favorite for natural makeup look. I'm using Benetint Lip and Cheek Stain. I'm just applying dots and going to smudge it with my fingers on my cheeks and a bit on my nose. For my highlighter, I'm using this stick from Rimmel London Insta Duo Contour Stick in color medium. I'm applying it on my cheekbones and also a bit on my nose. For my lips, I'm using Checkmate Comfort Matte from Urban Decay. This is a beautiful pink color. And to complete, I'm using MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. Here is my final look, so if you like it, please try and let me know in comment section how it worked for you. See you soon and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.